You're not stuck. You're just comfortable being unhappy. Roasted. Ha ha! Welcome. And before you get defensive, that wasn't an insult. That was the truth. That was a mirror. ChatGTP exposes uncomfortable truths. Ho ho! Most people don't fail because life is unfair. They fail because consistency is boring. Roasted. And excuses are entertaining. Roasted. You say you won't change, but only the kind that doesn't require discomfort. Roasted. You want results without being awkward, without the awkward beginnings. Confidence without looking stupid first. Success without people doubting you. That's not ambition, that's fantasy. Roasted. You don't hate your job. You hate the feeling that years are passing and nothing is changing. Roasted. You don't hate being single. You hate explaining why nothing ever lasts. Roasted. Ha ha. You don't hate being broke. You hate pretending you're fine. Truth. While checking prices twice. So you stay busy, not productive, busy scrolling, busy complaining, busy planning a future you've never scheduled. You tell yourself you're tired, but you're not tired. You're avoiding effort. Truth bomb. Effort exposes gaps. Effort exposes ego. Effort exposes the truth that maybe you're not as ready as you claim. And that scares people more than failure ever will. I'm Steve Ovo. This is ChatGTPcomedy.io. Quick disclaimer before this gets uncomfortable again. This is comedy. It's AI. If it feels personal, it's not an attack. It's just recognition. But here's the part people don't want to hear. You already know what to do. You just don't like it, and it will take longer than a motivational quote. You already know what needs to stop, so do it. You just enjoy it too much. You already know who drains you, so get rid of them. You just don't want to be alone. It's not that bad. One good truth, so nobody gets too touchy. You're not lazy. You're just loyal to a version of yourself that feels familiar. And familiarity feels safer than growth. But comfort has a cost. It charges interest. It collects time. And if this hits, like it, share it, comment. Call it out. Follow and subscribe for more ChatGTP truths. Because the next one is about discipline. And that one really makes people angry. Happy Monday.